One UI 9 is quietly introducing features that feel like they were designed for power users, not casual ones. Faster on-device AI, upgraded multitasking tools, smarter animations, deeper customization, and a performance boost built directly into Android 17. These aren't small tweaks, they're pro-grade upgrades that completely change how your Galaxy responds the moment you unlock it. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Full script under 3,500 characters. Samsung is taking a surprisingly bold turn with One UI 9, and the deeper you dig, the clearer the pattern becomes. This isn't a cosmetic refresh. This is Samsung building a pro mode for the entire operating system, and the early internal builds already reveal exactly where this is going. The most immediate change you feel is speed. Not the benchmark kind, but the everyday kind. Apps snap open before the animation finishes. Background processes slip out of your way faster. And the system finally treats multitasking like a first-class feature instead of an optional trick. And the real twist? Almost all of it is running directly on the device. Samsung's new offline AI layer silently boosts performance, predicts your touch movements, and pre-renders animations before your finger lands. One UI 9 doesn't just feel smooth, it anticipates you. Even transitions between apps have a new behavior where the system remembers your last task and adjusts its resource allocation in real time. It's subtle, but once you notice it, there's no going back. Multitasking gets a serious level up too. Pop-up view and split screen no longer feel like separate features. They blend into a single fluid mode where windows resize faster, snap more accurately, and carry over your layout when switching apps. Traders, editors, and students are going to love this part. The taskbar anchors active apps in place with almost zero delay when you swap between them. It feels like Samsung finally realized how many users actually rely on their phone as a productivity tool. Customization is another area where Samsung quietly turns the dial up. One UI 9 lets you adjust animation speed per app, fine-tune motion effects, and even choose how aggressively the system manages background tasks. It's like getting a developer menu without needing any hacks. And then there's the adaptive lock screen, upgraded to shift layouts based on lighting, wallpaper contrast, and your routine. Waking your phone at night gives you a different layout than waking it outdoors. It's one of those features that sounds tiny but feels incredibly personal. AI tools also get a major push. Translations are quicker, summaries run locally, and voice transcription barely lags behind your speech. The camera app gains pro-level AI cleanup right inside the gallery. Tap once and unwanted reflections, shadows, or photo bombers vanish without uploading anything to the cloud. For privacy-conscious users, this alone will be a game-changer. And yes, Samsung's security architecture gets its own upgrade. Real-time permission tracking becomes more detailed, highlighting any app trying to access your location or sensors at unusual times. You'll also get automated suggestions when the OS detects unnecessary background activity, giving you a quick option to block, freeze, or optimize that app on the spot. All of this is built on a tighter Android 17 base, which means One UI 9 doesn't just look fresh, it behaves differently at the core. More efficient memory handling, better power distribution, and less micro lag during gesture navigation. Even older Galaxy devices feel unexpectedly reborn in the early testing stages, which hints at a surprisingly polished final release. The rollout is expected to begin with the Galaxy S26 lineup, -1 by foldables and then the S series. But the most exciting part isn't the timeline, it's the shift in philosophy. Samsung isn't chasing visual flair anymore. They're engineering a Galaxy experience that respects users who want more control, more performance, and more intelligence without sacrificing battery or privacy. If you're excited about these pro-level features coming to One UI 9, hit that like button, drop your thoughts below, and stay subscribed because we're just getting started.